Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Coldwell Banker Realty, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Coldwell Banker Realty, start by visiting their official website. On the home page, look for the Find an Agent option. Click on this option to access the directory of agents. You can search for agents by location or name. Once you find an agent that interests you, click on their profile. Review the agent's biography, experience, and specialties. If you wish to connect with them directly, look for their contact information on the profile page. You might also find a Request Consultation button. Click it to schedule a meeting. Another option is to use the live chat feature on the website. If you prefer phone communication, locate the office contact number. Call the office number to speak with a representative about your needs. You can ask for specific agents or get general information about services offered. Additionally, consider downloading the Coldwell Banker Realty mobile app. The app provides tools to search for properties and connect with agents on the go. Register for an account to access personalized features within the app. If you're active on social media, follow Coldwell Banker Realty's accounts. Engaging with their posts can provide insights and updates. For further assistance, visit a local Coldwell Banker office in your area. In-person visits can be a great way to connect with agents and find local listings. Take the time to prepare any questions you may have before your visit. Establishing a connection with Coldwell Banker Realty is straightforward and user-friendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.